Manvita Roy, and we are from KJ Somaiya Institute of Management Studies and Research. We are pursuing our MBA in Retail Management, and we are from the second year. The theme for our project is retailing, the idea being digital invoice. The application name is Advanced Network and Digital Invoice. There are several instances when the customer does not want to enter a crowded store since they want to avoid the time taken to generate a bill. There is also an increased problem of customers losing their old paper bills. Retailers also face an added problem of shoplifting in these situations. ERP becomes more real-time for retailers, suppliers and customers in this case.
Hi, I'm Anisha, and I'll be telling about the description about our project. Basically, this mobile application works to enable digital invoices. It has a user interface and a retailer interface. Any user can have this application on their PDAs having an Android, iOS, BlackBerry or a Symbian platform. Once the user downloads this application and registers, he or she will be given a unique identification number. In a retail store, the user can scan items he wants to purchase through a barcode reader, which is a part of this app using NFC beams, and the item gets recorded in a form of an invoice against his UIN. At the POS, all the customer needs to do is produce this unique identification number, which will be in a form of a username, a number, etc. And the bill personnel will have the list of items which the user intends to purchase on his screen. The billing personnel now will, with the help of our app, the retailer interface, will validate the bill for payment, and thereby a unique bill number will be generated from the retailer. The validated bill will be saved and can be retrieved on any other later date.
This application can be synced with Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Hence, the user can be updated even in case he loses his PDA. The user can link their bank accounts with this application for easy payment options. He or she can also choose the mode of payment. This application also stores the payment details of the user, be it credit card, debit card or cash. In case the user wants to make an electronic payment, the amount can get automatically deducted from the bank account. Another phase of this application is to benefit the retailer. In this aspect, when an item gets picked up from a shelf, the stock in the retailer's inventory automatically gets updated. At the end of the day, it becomes easier for him to figure out his total inventory per category.
The various features that our application has is that it's a paperless invoice. It has an option of optical scanning of items. You can input the number of quantity of the product that you want to buy. Addition and deletion of items is also possible. It has an easier payment options. Bill validation, bill saving and bill retrieval is possible. We would like SAP to help us on various security issues like accountability, authentication, authorization and privacy issues.
The entire project has been divided into 3 phases. The first is the business processes, the next is the functional and the financial processes, and the third is the technical processes, for which we will be using SAP. And the financial aspects would obviously cover the different cost-related aspects of the project. These will be explained in detail in the later stages of the project. The benefits that we give the customer is that it saves us time, there's easy retrieval of old bills, there is easier payment options, and there is hassle-free shopping.
The various benefits that the retailers can reap out of our applications are it will prevent forgery and unwanted loss of items, easier billing system, it saves on billing cost, easier inventory management would be possible, and analyzing consumer life cycles would be possible.
The benefits that we give the environment are that the most important being it saves paper, we give the customer the advantage of green computing, and we reduce the carbon footprint of the customer. Thank you.
Thank you.